Whether you like it or love it, bourbon seems to find itself in a lot of our cocktails, and today's drink is no exception. To say thank you for all the kind hearts who gave me bourbon for Christmas, I am going to make the Kentucky Buck. The more I drink, the less I remember. And that's a good thing. Already look like a senior citizen. So I might as well have a shot and have a senior moment. May not be a genie in there, but I sure taste a spirit. The Kentucky Buck is named after the bluegrass state, but actually it was mixed in sunny California in a bar not far from the Golden Gate Bridge. Or at least that's what Wikipedia tells me. Seems legit. Let's mix one up. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Three-quarter ounce of lemon juice. Add strawberries. Couple dashes of bitters, and muddle. Two ounces of bourbon, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Yee-haw! Thank you, Bob and Nancy. And that's a Kentucky Buck. Today's word of wisdom is meaning. That's right, we're looking at the meaning of meaning. The definition of meaning means more than finding the definition or the mean of something else. Though you may search for the meaning behind something, you may also search for its purpose. That is a better meaning for meaning. As soon as you find your purpose, you will have found your meaning. The mean is the average of the sum of your parts, and all those parts add up to your meaning or your purpose. Figure that out, and maybe you'll know what I mean. We did that wrong.
Yep, we did that right. That was close enough.
Okay.